everyone, it's Abby Andrew and welcome back to the Rene of Paris channel. In today's video, I'm really excited to be showing you a couple of new Rene of Paris wigs that just came out this year. There are 4 new wigs of this collection as well as a couple of new colors. The first of the 4 new wigs is the one that I'm wearing now, which is called Tara, and this color is Desert Sand R. This is a really nice shorter length wavy wig. I really love the look of these waves. They just look so soft. Let me also give you a 360 view of this wig as well. This wig also features a lace front and lace part down the middle, as you can see here, creating that really natural looking hairline effect. Now the lace part does kind of have a little bit of a wide range, so you do have a bit of styling flexibility for moving it a little bit to the left and to the right, giving you that really natural look. Short wavy wigs like this, in my opinion, always look good just kind of pinned back a little bit if you want to play with some other styles. Just kind of taking a bobby pin and just pinning back just one little piece of it. Kind of helps to expose those waves and just kind of give it a little bit more of a dramatic look. Here's what the inside of the cap construction looks like with that lace front and lace part. This wig cap also features adjustable straps at the nape of the neck so you can adjust it to make sure it fits your head shape. The waves in this wig just have a really nice soft tousled look to them. Just love the way that wig flows. This next wig might be my personal favorite in the collection because I just really love these long, beautiful waves, but also paired with this light density. I also really love these bangs. And I especially love the wig in this color. This wig is called Wren and the color is Watermelon R. With a longer wig like this one, you do have a bit more styling flexibility. You can choose to put it into a ponytail, into pigtails, or any other sort of style that you might with a longer hair look. So you can rock a cute low ponytail like that. You can go for more of a high ponytail look or pin it up, would look really cute. And here's a 360 of this wig. Love having wigs with bangs because it's really nice to just be able to cover that hairline and have an automatically natural looking hair effect, not even have to worry about if the hairline looks natural because it's covered anyway. I just think it's such an effortless way to make your wig look very natural. You have a bit of styling flexibility with these bangs as well. You can either brush them forward and just wear them as straight bangs, or because they are left a little bit long, you can also brush them to the side and create kind of a side bang look to them. This wig features a machine-made cap for that extra durability. It also has this nice felt strip on the front for added comfort. This feels very soft, especially for me, someone who wears it on my bald head. And this wig cap also, of course, has the adjustable straps at the nape of the neck. The next new wig that just came out as part of the Rene of Paris 2022 collection is this one here, which is Carson, and this is the color Spring Honey Tea. This one is a really nice, cute, shorter length wig. In my opinion, short wigs like this are just so easy and manageable. You can really just throw them on, barely even look in the mirror, and it's going to look very natural looking and very comfortable as well. This wig features a lace front and lace part with the part on the side for that really natural looking hairline. With the lace part on one side, you also get that really nice added volume on the other side. And to give you that 360 view of this wig, this wig is just a really cute, short, wearable, and easy style. One way that you could choose to style this as well if you want to have some fun with hair accessories is just to do a half ponytail. This is one of my favorite hairstyles to add to a wig if I just want to make it look slightly more casual. I love putting half ponytails like this into a wig just to make it a little bit more casual and cute. Here's what the lace front and lace part looks like on this wig cap with the lace part off to the side. We also have the adjustable straps on the nape of the neck. The final new wig that came out this year as part of the Rene of Paris collection is another personal favorite. This one is Sage in the color Moonstone. This is a medium density wig with a really nice soft wave to it. It is a lace front and lace part with the part in the middle. It also has these really gorgeous curtain bangs, which are one of my favorite trends at the moment. It just looks so flattering on, in my opinion, every face. Here's a 360 view of this wig. the look of the curtain bangs on this wig, and I also think they just almost call for a kind of pulled back tassel look. I think if you kind of just play with the hair and make it kind of intentionally messy, it just really is flattering with this wig. I feel like the more you kind of tassel this wig and expose some of the layers, I think it just looks better and better no matter what you do to it. Because of the medium density of this wig, you can get a really nice looking ponytail in this wig as well. Just to show you what it looks like all pulled back. You can kind of get a better idea of the density of the wig that way. If you want to learn more about how to put a wig into a ponytail, we do have another video all about that on our channel as well. I do think a half ponytail like this is really flattering on the sage as well. So I hope you all had fun taking a look at some of these new styles from the Rene of Paris collection that just came out this year. Definitely comment below which one was your favorite. Was it Wren, Sage, Carson, or Tara? It's honestly really hard for me to choose. I think my personal favorites might be between Wren and Sage, which is the one I'm wearing right now, but I think it kind of always ends up just being whichever one I'm wearing at the moment. Which again is also the beauty of wigs, because you don't have to choose just one style. You can wear one day and the other the next day. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more wig tips and tutorials, and of course to stay up to date on all of our latest new releases. Thank you all so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.